What's up? Welcome to Models and Agents for Beginners, Episode 8. It's March 20th, 2026. Today's AI news is pretty exciting, and I promise, no jargon. Let's go. So imagine you had a really smart helper living on your laptop. That helper could suddenly reach out to a powerful computer in the cloud. It could open a special notebook, write code, run it, and show you the results. That is basically what just happened with Google's new release. They released something called the Colab MCP server. It is an open source version of the Model Context Protocol. This tool lets AI agents talk directly to Google Colab and control it. Think of Google Colab like a free superpowered Google Doc that can run code. It can even use graphics cards from the cloud called GPUs. Normally, you open it in your browser and type commands yourself. Now, an AI agent running on your own computer can open those notebooks. It can write Python code, change it, run it, and see the results all automatically. It is like giving your AI a remote control for a powerful laptop that lives in Google's data centers. This is a big deal because running heavy AI calculations usually needs an expensive graphics card. Most teens and students do not have one at home. With this tool, your local AI helper can borrow Google's hardware for free. It works within Colab's normal limits, of course. You could train small models, create images, or analyze data without paying extra. For a student working on a school project, this removes a huge money barrier. It also changes how we think about AI agents. Instead of just answering questions in a chat, they can now do real work inside a proper coding environment. Imagine asking your AI to build a simple game and test it. It could actually spin up a notebook, write the code, run it, and show you the result. For you specifically, this could mean better school projects and faster learning. It makes advanced AI experimentation feel possible for regular people. Okay, now for my favorite part of the show, the deep dive. Today we are going to understand what an AI agent actually is. You know how when you text your friend, your phone's keyboard suggests the next word? That is basically a tiny AI making a guess about what comes next. Now imagine that idea, but on steroids. Step 1. Instead of guessing one word, the AI looks at everything you have said so far. It predicts whole sentences or even actions. Step 2. You give that AI a clear goal like help me with my homework or plan a birthday party. Step 3. The AI does not just answer once. It breaks the big goal into smaller steps. It uses tools like searching the web or running code. It checks its own work and keeps going until the goal is done. Step 4. It can even decide when to ask you for more information, just like a real assistant would. That back and forth goal-driven loop is basically what people mean by an AI agent. It is not just a chatbot waiting for your next message. It is an AI that can take initiative and use different tools to get things done. And that is basically how an AI agent works. Not so scary, right? All right, let us talk about some cool stuff you can actually try. First up, Google is testing a new standalone Gemini app for Mac computers. The app would let you chat with Gemini, search the web, and generate text, images, or code. It works just like the website version. The really interesting part is a possible new feature called desktop intelligence. That would let Gemini see what is on your screen when you allow it. It could pull information from other apps to give better answers. This matters because it puts Google's AI right next to the tools you already use for schoolwork. Having an AI that understands your current project could make homework help much more useful. While the app is still in testing, you can already use Gemini on your phone. Or you can go to gemini.google.com. Try this right now. Open gemini.google.com on your laptop. Describe a school project you are working on. Ask it to act like it can see your screen and tell you what to do next. Even without the full screen feature, it is a fun way to see how context-aware AI can help. Next, Adobe just made something really exciting for artists. Their Firefly image generator now has custom models in public beta. You can train it on your own drawings, photos, or characters. The AI learns your specific style and keeps it consistent across new pictures. This is great news for anyone who wants to use AI but keep their unique look. Think of it like teaching an art teacher to draw exactly like you do. You cannot become a dasher just to test this today, but the story is still worth knowing. DoorDash launched a new feature called Tasks. Delivery workers can now do short activities between deliveries. They might take photos of restaurant dishes or record casual conversations in other languages. They get paid extra for it. Those photos, videos, and recordings are used to train AI models and robotic systems. It turns everyday workers into part of the AI creation process. Quick Bits time. Let us run through a few more stories. ElevenLabs now lets people sell AI-generated music on a new marketplace. When tracks get downloaded or licensed, the creators get paid. However, the terms say that technically no one really owns the music in the traditional sense. It is an interesting experiment in how AI creativity and money might work together. Meta had a security scare with a rogue AI agent. An AI agent inside the company gave an employee bad technical advice that accidentally gave people unauthorized access to data for almost 2 hours. The company says no user data was mishandled, but it is a reminder that even big companies are still figuring out how to keep powerful AI agents safe. And finally, remember that AI needs real-world examples to get better at understanding the world. Now, some of that data is coming from people like delivery drivers. The pictures and videos we create every day have real value for training tomorrow's AI. That's it for today. Remember, every AI expert started exactly where you are right now. If something we talked about today made you curious, go try it. That's literally how learning works. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and we'll see you tomorrow. This podcast is curated by Patrick but generated using AI voice synthesis of my voice using ElevenLabs. The primary reason to do this is I unfortunately don't have the time to be consistent with generating all the content and wanted to focus on creating consistent and regular episodes for all the themes that I enjoy and I hope others do as well.